Wow! Holy dude.
We survived.
Dude, the snow came out of nowhere. It's snowing pretty good right now.
Yeah, I seriously could not see. Oh. Well, that's one way to start this little trip we got going on here.
That's the way it should have started. This is the way it's starting.
Yeah. The way it should be, the way we are now. Oh, can't even unload her, go to start her up, and recoil brakes. First thing.
Hey.
What a shame. Joy! Got Troy, we got Josh here somewhere. Oh, we got the whole damn fam.
What are you thinking, Troy?
Maybe we should just did the quad or sled thing?
We got sled fun.
I know.
One of those snowmobiles feet, and they're all in pieces.
Alright, quads it is.
I like the cheap snowmobiles. I want a 340. Fanner.
Dude, everybody gets 80 sleds.
I told him, I'm like, we got the trailer, we're in here, so we can pick a couple up.
Straight up, not a problem.
We wasted our good start on you.
We
Pretty
get here
much.
today. We pull her 3 times.
Yeah, it's tanked.
And she needs a recoil now. So we might be down a unit before we even start.
I don't know if I'm going to get them all in there. There's a couple on the bottom. You got another gear. All the ones on the bottom. Right? The ignition guy.
Grab the good old players, dude.
I did bring a strap. Just strap her up.
Update is running. We have moving parts very visible.
I'm just going to ride right here.
Stay right there and don't move.
It's like that Kickstarter that kept coming off that night, remember? It's a miracle. I told you miracles happen every day.
Yeah, that's not safe, boys.
Safe? Who said anything about being safe?
I
It
don't know.
runs.
I think Mom said when we left, hey, you boys be safe.
Oh, she said we had to come home.
Oh. Not
Yeah,
be
you guys
safe?
got to go pick up the kids.
Oh, yeah.
There's that precious cargo there. Mom's gonna be over it when
Hey,
you guys get
but on
back.
good news,
Yeah.
it runs.
I told you it ran.
Third time the charm.
Got a
Yeah.
cam in this thing?
Megan.
Is it stalling?
She's loping. It might be
Oh,
stalled.
there's a cam in it.
Alright, so now do we try putting this fucker on for the 10th time?
Yeah, because now we can put the jumper cables on with the jump box to give her the what for. That was just jump box.
The fucker runs good.
So we do have.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, yeah. So it was cooking when it was cooking. Alright, let's start it off.
Casey Hammy.
No, it's actually hilarious.
Oh, same. Well, with that being said, time to get the helmet going. I'm using the race car helmet because I kind of need a new one. Had this one for a minute, got the GoPro mount there, so we should be set. God dang.
You can't kill the sport.
Oh, the fans just stopped again?
Well, I got no juice with that. Hardwire. I tried doing that with mine, and I have a freaking module back there I have to bypass.
Dang. So now what? Let her cool off and... Or did we try charging it again?
Yeah. I think the fan
We didn't bring the cables, did we?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, the fan motor might be going bad, and that's what's drawing the battery down.
I guess you got to do some drift busting, homie.
Turn that ignition on.
Maybe you need to be in the front, get all that. Yeah, Andrew, maybe you pick up the speed a little bit, get some clean air.
Let's leave it right there.
See if it runs a little longer.
Charge
Okay.
the battery good, probably.
Charge it. Take a break.
You just can't kill it.
Can't.
It won't die.
It's a Polaris.
But it also doesn't want to.
Yeah.
Sportsman.
What the heck's up with the throttle?
What?
What the heck is even that?
Yeah, I got one too.
It's called gas, bud.
What the heck is even
Like
that?
literally, you hold it in your palm in your hand. You don't have to use your thumb. Yeah.
If I get tired, I just switch to my palm and away I go.
What do we got going on here?
Other than I got robbed. All right, so I got demoted from the Cowie to the ye olde 4-track. Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, 4 tracks. Okay. Okay.
And,
Lost the Cowie. Probably
This
the best
thing's having
call.
battery issues, which is causing the fans not to work.
So we're robbing
So
Peter to pay Paul.
Andrew shows up. There's steam everywhere.
Literally, it was good. I got the.
Shows up. Look
Comes
at
down the hill.
Cheech and Chong showing up.
All right. All right.
Yeah, so that's currently the battery out of the Honda sitting right there. And then I think
Going
we're
into
taking
Polaris.
the janky battery that is probably way past its expiration date. I'm gonna throw it in there. So, oh, plus that's got a kickstart, so I can kickstart it. Hopefully, if I'm feeling up
Still a
to
good
par
trip.
to-
Still a good
yeah,
trip.
I haven't
So,
done my yoga
at that
today
point,
yet.
Uncharted.
Yeah, maybe it'll
Uncharted.
charge that battery.
I wonder what way we're going.
Oh, did you tell the folks where we're at?
The only way we came from. Texas.
Howdy.
Oh,
Howdy, y'all. We're
Yeah.
down here.
fixed.
Haven't seen an immigrant in months.
What?
Said we're in Texas.
I'm at Wisconsin. No? Any better? No?
Go Packers.
It's actually pretty good.
Oh.
It says fast switch. I didn't know if it was something that's gonna make me go like this or something.
Man, I don't know what that switch is all about. That's pretty sweet.
So what are we on? I got 2-hour delay? Rain delay?
Yeah, we're currently under a red flag.
It started right up. Dude. What the fuck? What'd I lie to you guys?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Tough love is what I call that. God damn.
Air's in that tire over there, huh?
Everyone said it.
Okay, there was air in it when we left. Now there's just not as much.
We say it with love, I promise.
I don't feel it, bud.
Oh shit!
That's tough love.
Oh, see?
I say mine was anger
Oh.
and disappointment.
Dude, 2 pulls. She started. Swear to God.
Newsflash, Brandon. They don't have a pull thingy anymore.
I know. Recoil broke.
Now you gotta pull the cover twice.
Now we got this little booster pack that is almost dead. Jump starting this thing every time.
Yeah, but I brought one too.
I do too.
Safe, but see?
Chances are yours is probably fucking dead.
No, I charged it. Swear to God. I wouldn't let you guys down that many times.
Look at that. I mean,
Yeah, I bet
Wow.
willing to bet the battery gremlins probably got into it, Brandon. It's probably dead.
What?
Kind of like the modified battery that night I ran it at Mount Pleasant. Oh no!
Troy.
Oh, it was charged. Why won't it?
Oh,
It could be worse. It could be Andrew got no fucking gas. Yeah, no gas.
Wow.
All right, see if we fucking.
So much tough love today.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh.
Which battery's in? Yeah.
don't be draining my battery. All right. Don't be draining my battery. Burning.
Wow! All right.
I don't know if this place is ready.
This is why we don't let you ride.
I'm harder on the 4 tracks than I am the.
That's not good. Andrew, I would trade it. We're going to show you your red shit.
Am I done? She needs a jump. Oh my God. Oh no.
Oh no.
What the?
Oh no.
Well, that's why she didn't start, bud.
Where the fuck you lose that at?
That's gone too, ain't it?
Yeah. Okay, I don't think this is gonna.
Ah!
So, the only thing you can do is try it. I ain't got no zip ties.
Alright, so still. Now which way are we going?
Which way are we going?
We gonna head back for repairs or we keep going? Head back? Yeah, because then we can go out the other loop, Dust. And I can put air in this tire. Oh yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh! We're all good! Oh! Oh! Hey, I might need help getting this thing started again. Oh, I don't even know if she'll. No. Oh. Holy cow!
Yeah, it's fucking slow. And I'm sweating there. Oh, it's going now.
Fogging up so bad. I'm fogging up so bad, we gotta move. Okay, I can see again. Everybody's ready to go. We got air in the tires. Go time! Oh, yeah! Oh, God, she's rough! Come on, come on! We got a little dirt nasty sideways. Oh! Stuck on the rock. I got stuck. Did. Oh. Oh boy. Woo! Woo! I'm sweating. I'm in. Let's go get some food. Made it, dog.
Majestic, the wind's blowing. We're at the pub.
The pub.
Every Leota trip.
Every
stop at the pub.
Yeah, it kind of gives it away right there. Let's get it, dude. I'm hungry. So it's
I'm having an absolute ride
everybody.
on that 4-track. I don't know what it is about that thing, but I love it.
Oh, sports quad.
There ain't no sport about that.
No, I'm just saying. We were the sport guys.
No sport and all utility.
I've had a blast. Josh, having fun?
Absolutely.
All right.
Down.
All right, Troy. Full belly.
Oh, I don't remember having snowmobiles.
Trails and pub. Success?
Yep. Finally.
All right.
Finally, the bank check finally cleared. Look what they dropped off.
Yeah, dang. Nice. And now it's snowing. We got the GoPro kind of charged up. Watched a couple videos to see if we could see Dustin's flip on it and mess with a couple more settings. Hopefully the rest of this trip goes good. And what?
To interrupt your video.
Listening.
Look at the. Get that.
Well, god damn.
It's an enticer.
Nice. Nice. All right.
I gotta try.
I guess let's get all these suckers fired up and get rolling. Come on. Take it back. Take it back. We're back.
Holy dude.
We survived.
Dude, the snow came out of nowhere. It's snowing pretty good right now.
Yeah, I seriously could not see with
Dude,
my
it's getting
glasses.
hard to see it's getting hard to see in the trails.
Yeah. But we made it back. Successful ride. Everything
Pretty cool ending to the day. It's
comes
snowing.
back in one piece. Yeah. Except for, you know, the first half of the
Dude,
day,
I'm
I
absolutely powdered.
kind of foobarred the GoPro footage a little bit. It was pointing down a little bit. I missed it. So we have to
Accidentally on time lapse or some part of it.
time lapse as well. Oh,
Oh,
that's what you get. But hey, all in all, good old trip. Does not end. Stranded, side of the road. Dustin had a spare tire, but she's flat. So now we're sitting here waiting waiting for Andrew in the middle of this beautiful snowstorm. So what a day. But hey everybody, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. You know, it's a little bit different trip instead of taking our little snowmobile trip that we have been doing every year. Instead, we're stranded on the side of the highway with quads. Thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed it. We're gonna continue to try to make it home. So if you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.